reaches of the Blue Mountains, we have stumbled upon a plant. It's a very well-known plant in our culture.
I bet you say I could handle both of you. Bet you. Bet you. I was strong back and I was strong tongue, you know. I can have two at one time. Wagwan squad. Little impromptu adventure today. Outside. Didn't realize, yo, just start rain. But I'm gonna go load up the cooler and then we're outside. Alright squad, so we packed up the cooler. It was raining so I didn't get to show you that, but there's a little bit in there to drink, you see me? Like, I won't be thirsty today. Well, am I thirsty? Anyways, we'll leave that alone. We're going to Holywell, but we're not taking the back route. Wait, why for that? We're not gonna take the alternate route. We're going the regular way, we're not gonna back way, you see me? And we're there with the boy Gods.
Wagwan squad.
Tell them to plug if they need what?
They need ACs, jewelry, fridges, stoves. I'm your guy.
Where they should check you?
Portmore Mall. Not Kemlani Mart though.
Great, take out the Kemlani Mart part. But yo guys, you hear that? Look here. Check him out, what the name?
GD Jewelers and Appliances.
Check out GD Jewelers and Appliances, Portmore Mall. If you go there and tell them Top Lodge sent you, Gotham will take care of you and work out something for you. You see me? Nothing is for free, but we can help out. Big up. So, what we doing today, guys?
You know, going to see the sights in Holywell, eat a nice food up there. Hopefully, catch a sunset, you know, and drink some beers.
It was so cool on that. Catch a sunset, man. Yo, on to this guy. No,
man, like a sunset, you know, bro.
Look here, now we are drive up in the mountains. So, guys, I'll show you a little bit of the drive. And then the power, you see me? So, out and bad. Top Lodge.
Wagwan squad.
Squaddies!
Thank you.
Cheers to that. Big up Top Lodge.
Big up Top Lodge.
Tell them to subscribe.
Subscribe to the channel. What
Like,
you mean?
subscribe, and comment.
Like, share, and subscribe. Otherwise, you're rank.
Oh,
Cheers to that.
Rate that one. Wagwan squad. Yo, hold on. You know, so we're there. We had the great Sammy, the great Christian, the average guy, the great Gotham. He's helping film.
Everyone's favorite countryman.
Yo, let me show you what we load up today. Bahumbo clap, all foreign piss water. Lord clap, Corona.
Right.
Yo, beer things.
Uptown.
Bro, I love hot girl. Yeah!
Hey.
Yeah, you know your boy is an idiot.
Fuck in the car, bro.
We've started the journey. We had to make a stop because Sam needed a beer. Christian does not drink and drive.
No, I'm responsible. Absolutely. My name is Christian for a reason.
Yes.
God is the Lord and my Savior.
So road again.
Hello.
What's this place name?
Crystal Edge Restaurant.
Crystal Edge Restaurant?
Yes.
Yo, Crystal Edge Restaurant, like you go up a Blue Mountain if you come here and check it out. Yeah. Yeah, man. So how often the menu change?
Every day.
Okay. And so the price them good?
Yes, man.
Okay. And the food good?
Since you say they're the best on the spot, COVID food award, you need to take the picture.
Yeah, man, watch it. I put this on YouTube, you know.
Yeah, man.
So like, okay, COVID-19 comfort food.
Oh, you see that?
So when people are stressed in the...
Me I tell you, man, them come up and enjoy themselves.
But I'm not really eating, I just drink my drink. So the bar good too?
Yeah, man, you know, as you can see.
Okay. Soon come for a drink, man.
Alright. Thank you.
Oh my. So this is the curry. What is?
Curry goat.
Curry goat. This is our stew pork.
Thank you.
So Gotham, give it a review.
9 out of 10.
Eat a piece. No, so like, don't lie to us, make it. Think you might like it? Yeah?
Shot.
So 9 out of 10 for real? What's the favorite part about it? Fact that you're eating it with a beautiful one?
Hi, do we know each other?
No.
Nice to meet you.
Yo, Sam, come tell us about the curry.
Yeah, try
It's
the curry.
fantastic.
She hasn't even eaten it yet.
No.
Fuck.
Well,
You want this yam?
kind of very interesting to give you rice separately.
Yeah?
Okay, go on.
Yeah, man.
Well, it's pretty wild because the fact that they give so much veg, meat, a big piece of yam, and this rice. I tell you, it's a real fisherman parman not talk about him and yam Billy. How Billy tastes.
Delicious.
How Billy stay in your mouth.
Delicious. Little slime in it. Need a good pepper.
How was the food?
Fantastic.
Okay.
Highly recommended. Stew pork was great. Rice and peas was fluffy. Plenty coconut milk. Gravy was nice and peppery. Fantastic.
What you say about the curry?
It can go on.
Alright. Auntie Lisa, say hi to the vlog.
Hi, everybody.
Suan, true say you look like young hot girl, say hi to the vlog. Hi. You swear at somebody's sister, don't. But auntie. Squad Gotham at 28 bumbleclaw years old
It's cool.
and go to the hills all time, hasn't done the drive.
Switch places.
Understandable thing, cause up here is a rough drive. But we don't deal with that. We have the potential, so I make him do it. I make him.
Easy thing so far.
No, don't say no, we just have to do it, just a drive. Regular. You got
This
this.
car is so nice.
Drive smooth, eh?
Yeah.
Yo, I say it's still, you know, all of you civilians you stay out there, but us soldiers.
Sergeant?
Yes, sir.
What are you doing?
I'm a major cunt. Attention. Hut. Alright. That was fun. I had a good time. Walk on squad. We just reach up a Greenwich real quick and make a stop. That's not where we're going, but guys, look, we're in the clouds. We're in the fucking clouds. It's fine.
Into the thick of it. But we can't see where Into the thick of it.
Into
the thick of it.
Come skip with me.
Into the thick of it.
Yo, let me tell you something. I love Jamaica.
Oh shit, James. You're loaded, bro.
Let me see that. Blackberry?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
They're juicy as fuck, bro.
yes. Oh, wow.
They're actually really good.
Yo.
Yo, look here. This is one of the sweetest experiences of just living in Jamaica, being around nature. When you go pick fruit, a mango, and you climb mango tree. I can't climb a coconut tree, I promise you that. Guinea blood, what's your?
A bunch of the wild ones grow around the farm, and they're smaller. Biggest that grows about this, but same way they're delicious.
You watch it, there's a fucking... Yo, look here, there's actually a fruit fly on this, and it's not moving even though I'm holding it. It's kind of wild.
Come on. Vitamin C. Good for the nature. Hashtag Uncle Christian.
Good for the bumbleclaw nature.
The only ones I've had are sweet still.
Rosemary.
Keep one more.
Oh shit.
Not fair.
Here we have in the natures of the Blue Mountains, we have stumbled upon a plant. It's a very well-known plant in our culture. If you happen to light it, there are some effects.
Yeah?
Drowsiness, hungriness, highness, and illegitimate children might follow. Stay clear of this, children. It's very wild.
So I say, again, that?
No, sir, a callaloo.
A blood clot, Callaloo we are gross, see?
Original, not the phony.
Just give the blog a year.
Ask a girl, she might know me.
Oh, really?
I'm joking.
Really? Okay.
I'm joking, darling.
Why are you asking that? You
I
never
only
say
have-
your
I
ex
only
never
have
pass
eyes for
us.
you.
Your ex never pass
Oh,
us.
shit.
Him have
Viral
ex
moment.
to him have ex to warm to you. Hey,
It might be her ex,
No
but she vexed.
paparazzi.
and my brethren me defend. Hey,
Is her ex, but she vexed through some of the better sex.
I have heard many people corroborate that, so probably. But you see how your brethren be back?
Best up, bro.
Can't bother my brethren in front of me, you know. Guys, you remember we're here just the other fucking day? Watch here. Watch here.
Fuck me.
Yo, I'm thinking they broke up.
Looking left was not pretty a while ago, bro.
Why?
Yeah, it's just a cliff.
You don't see my video with that? We went and looked over that cliff with Chad Lucci. Yo, guys, let me tell you something. I'm back in the hills, and it made me remember we had a Ross video with Chad Lucci up here. Chad Lucci is a bumbuckler good youth. I'm a brother that. Big up Chad. Check out his vlog, Chad Lucci Vlogs. Let's go.
All the way up in the hills.
Yo, what you know? Ever go, ever ready, charge a car anywhere in blood clot Jamaica. Watch here. We're in the hills. We're in the middle of nowhere. And they are charging electric vehicles up here. This is crazy. Squad, God, have me a drive. Squad, my car never make it up. So, you can do it.
We can do it.
Oh shit, you're going, oh my God. Let's go. Hey, gas. That's pretty high, that's so. Bumbuckler, yeah, make a drop. Fuck. Kinda steep still. Yo, that could make it, you know. Me know so.
Advertise, no.
Mitsubishi can do anything.
We know. We are giving for go.
One time. Yo, are you? When I go over,
We get that plateau.
the middle of the car stays on it.
Yeah. And then it's hard to get
Yeah.
the thrust.
But like this one, me and you could do this one easily. This car is crazy.
Like a cook shop after 1 o'clock. We not have that.
Oh, the blood clot. This camera come from.
Facts. This is the camera to manifestation.
Yo, them are top 3 funniest people I know. And he's not 2 or 3.
Hey.
Bradley Matter.
Oh. Get that camera off of me. I'm not signing
Yo.
those release forms.
What's for lunch?
Loaded bad dog with bacon.
Where is it?
Do you want to come here?
Yeah, sorry there.
Cousin them.
My blood clot I'm back this in a dog.
Alright, I can't promise I get shot the whole thing, but I'm gonna try, you see me?
No worry about that, we just a drink. Wait,
Wagwan squad.
fuck girl and what?
Bosso.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah, bro. Like the man.
On the short weekend. John knows.
Can I argument that? Oh, what the cold one, the
Still a
cold.
drink?
Done. Beer.
Damn, what you Bill say?
Man in glasses.
No.
Clark, Clark.
What do you mean?
You have to upload that.
I said it back up blood clot.
Ready say yo, like
Clark Kent.
She doesn't know my name.
Woman
What's
in
mine gonna
glasses.
say?
Woman in glasses or cute Chinese
No, I
girl?
need something else.
hot Chinese girl. Yeah.
Exactly.
Good body girl, good body, yeah.
Turn it up, sure.
And if them don't say that, we're not coming again.
Exactly.
The song is hard to follow up with, like I don't know how to
No.
explain it.
Fucking food is so good.
It's still pretty.
Yo, but you're about to dead, but you know, so I want some dessert. Back there, Cafe Bistro. Come here, Safa Park. Good food, good vibes, and hot girl. Hot girl, yeah. Could I get 2 sugar cookie, 2 oatmeal cookie, and 2 piece of bread pudding?
So 2 sugar, 2 oatmeal and 2 bread pudding.
Yes,
And add it to...
by the sugar I mean the cookie, not you. Come on, you're sweet. Yeah, man.
So add it to your bill, eh?
All right, thank you. No, new bill for me.
bill?
Yeah, man.
Oh yeah,
Go.
Oh my god. Is this allowed?
Yo, Bradley, play a good song now.
That's a good one.
Can't dance.
Me either. Can't try a thing now. Okay, we can learn together. She gotta go and bother down.
True. True. Go and go do it too.
One more chance.
Go and go do it too.
New song.
They're on duty. Use that cash. She better.
Go to both of you and me. I bet you say you could handle both of you. Bet you. Bet you. I was strong back and I was strong tongue, you know. I can two girl one time. Eh? Yo, she better than you, dog.
She can twirl it, spin it.
Twirl it, the fuck.
Lead show and show it. Hey. Good try.
Terrible throw.
Oh, bumping the other one.
26, 52, left, right, hut.
Yo, then two together, worthless, see? Scoop. Yo, real no real.
Yeah, how you mean?
Yo, guys. Yo, we're going to the shack. It's a view.
Oh, this is it?
Yeah.
What do you know about hot Cheetos?
Only hot girl know about that.
Exactly.
Okay.
James, me not capable of them level of lyrics now. You have to watch yourself.
No, bro, we're always supporting and bridging them.
Bro, this is awesome. We should have took this way on the way up.
Yo, all gone squad. Over there at the village. Sure. I've said big up CV Foods. This is crazy. It's a coffee farm. Hey guys, what do you think?
I think this is absolutely amazing.
Brother, look what you know. You come here for bonus spliff and have a one juice before you continue.
Can I ask a serious question though? Where's sweet like freaking Jamaica?
Where what?
Where's sweet like Jamaica, bro? Honestly.
Sam, let me ask you, where's sweet like yeah?
Nowhere else.
Okay. Hear that? All gone squad. Thanks for watching the video. Very happy to have you guys here. Before you go, please just remember to like and subscribe. It'll mean the world to us. Thank you. See you soon.